little quick video of some square baling. Square bale is an Allis-Chalmers 442. Just kind of got started about 4 o'clock. We actually started on the one field, the other side of the house over there, smaller one, and it was a little damp, grassier, but it was damper. This stuff is pretty alfalfa, pretty much mainly pure alfalfa. We're getting moisture readings about 14, so about perfect. I got the wife driving. We got the Kubota running the baler. Normally I have the 170 on the baler, but she likes driving the Kubota, so make her happy. And so yeah, we'll try and get some more action of the square baling. So all right, we'll talk to you guys later. Alright, well, things were going good until we blew a tire. I just happened to look, I don't know, for some reason I just looked over the side to check the tires, I guess, and I seen one was flat. So I had the wife finish out that road, we stopped, and luckily I had a spare on hand, which I usually always try and keep one extra. So I got it changed out. We're back going again. About a half hour downtime, maybe at the most. So good deal. We'll hopefully get this baled up, and baler's working good. So alrighty, we'll talk to you guys later. We're getting close to being done. That field, which that one's only going to take 20 minutes, pretty thin. I left the outside roads because they didn't seem to be drying very well, so far, sorry about the wind, sorry about for the video, but I'm glad we got it for dry hay. I think we got about 100 bales now, which I could have swore it would have had more, but you can even hear the audio on this. I would have swore it would have had more, but it's beautiful feed though, what is here. So the people with horses, or horse people as I call them, they're gonna love it. That's pretty much who I got it sold to. So I'll let them know that it's sitting in the barn on the wagon and come and get it. So getting close to being done. I think it's about 5 or 5:30. We lost some time with that flat tire, but alrighty. Well, I better grab this bale before it falls off, and we'll stack her up. Get ready to finish this up and get things put away before the rain comes. It's starting to cloud up a little bit. So alrighty, we'll talk to you guys later. Well, that's a wrap. 2019 haying season is done. It's September 21st. Oh, 7:20 p.m. Sounds like it might be just in time. Wind's kicking up. Rain's coming. Total bales off There's 10 acres, I think, here. There's 120 bales, square bales. These ones up front here was from the outside rounds, and there was some green jots in them, so that's why they're up there. They're gonna get fed out. But these ones are all gonna get sold. I should keep it because it's, man, a little bit of grass, alfalfa, nice hay. 120 of them. And then there's one round bale out there. Don't pay attention to how it's leaning. I was focused on getting it done, and I didn't really pay attention to the bale command. That's what happens. But it'll get fed. I'll feed that out. And then I got this bale here that I didn't think was this big. I ended up dumping here to just push in for them guys, and it's a little bigger than I thought. But at any rate, it's done. Everything's inside. We're ready for the rain. I got the square baler inside. I had to pull my gravity box of corn out of here, which I probably didn't have to, but I did just in case to make room. And we had a little problem when I came in to bale this field. Wife was driving. Everything was going great. And I went to drive it from the one field over to here, just basically across the yard. And she was coming out with some water. I kicked it up a gear and I was baling just to try and get done. And I hit a spot that I knew I should have stopped or slowed down because I broke a bale off there. And plugged it up, sheared a pin, and but it's something's hitting in there. It's like the needles were up and it was hitting the needles. I pulled the needles down and it still seems to be hitting something. So just said the heck with it, brought it here, took the round baler out there and finished it up. So I won't hear the end of that. I broke the square baler and she ran it all day and nothing, I never had a problem out of it. So that's what happens when you're trying to push and get done. But everything's good. We got the bale up there, the hay up and sorghum up. Busy week. It was a real busy week. We got sorghum. It's finished up. It got wrapped last night. This third cutting's all square baled up, put inside. It's not even gonna go in the loft. I don't plan on it. I'm pretty sure I have it sold. Come and get it right off the wagon. And tomorrow's Sunday, and I think I'm gonna take it easy tomorrow and relax after a busy week we had here. Good week, real good week. Things didn't pan out quite how I wanted them to, but we ended up getting done what I wanted to get done. So I knew it was going to be busy. I knew it was going to be hectic, but got it done. And now we're done haying. So clean equipment up, get everything put away. So I'm happy. I got some video of square baling, and I'll put that in here. So man, this stuff smells good. Nice fresh hay. Makes the barn smell nice. Good color to it. Dry. I was testing it. After the second cutting that I cut and baled, I was worried I wasn't gonna get it dried because I had some bales that I had to get rid of out of the second cutting because they green jots, they heated up on me. So I left the moisture tester right on the baler, or right on the wagon. And I felt the bale that seemed kind of heavy. I'd test it with the moisture. So not all of them have been tested, but any ones I thought could possibly be a little green jot or something, they got tested. And these are the only ones that had a few green jots in them. And I know why, because it was the outside round and it didn't really get raked very well. So other than that, beautiful hay. Customers should be happy, which is good. Keep them coming back. So still got a lot to do. I'm gonna try and next weekend, I don't know if I've really touched on this much, but I'm gonna try and this is not concrete here and right there, and it's always muddy. It was at one time, but I had to, the wood boiler was in here when I bought the house, so I had to take it out and move it for the insurance reasons. Otherwise they wouldn't insure my barn. So I cut the concrete here and to dig up the pipe to move my wood boiler, which in hindsight I should have just left it, but I didn't want to spend the extra money on the pipe because that stuff ain't cheap. I think it's 12 bucks a foot or something. So I want to pour this into concrete, and then there's a spot right there and then a spot coming off this way. I need to pour some concrete for them grain bins. So next weekend I think I'm gonna get my brother's mini excavator, try and get that out and get ready to get it formed up to pour concrete. So get all that stuff done, and I gotta get them bins up because we gotta get the corn bin emptied at my brother's for soybeans to go into. So it's still busy, but slowing down a little bit and get all this stuff caught up before before crops come off. So alrighty, well, that's the update. We got everything done this week, and thanks for all the comments and new subscribers. That's cool. Thank you. Hopefully I explained everything somewhat decent for you guys to kind of get somewhat of an idea of what I'm doing or trying to do, I guess. So alrighty, well, we'll talk to you guys later.